What's good, my people? Welcome back to the channel for another video. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can use OBS or Streamlabs OBS to completely remove your background without a green screen. If we just go to Amazon, we can see how much green screens actually cost, which can range from $50 to over $100 for a decent quality green screen. There are some cheaper ones sprinkled throughout here too, but for the most part, you're gonna be paying a pretty good sum of money just to have a transparent background for your videos or live stream. So what if I told you guys that you didn't need a green screen at all, and all you needed was your computer, Mac or Windows based? Well, you definitely clicked on the right video because I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do exactly that. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the video with the big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new around here, and let's get into this. To get this started, the first thing you guys are going to want to do is head over to snapcamera.snapchat.com. On this website, you want to head over and click the download button. And from here, you want to double check that the computer that you're using meets the minimum system requirements that the Snap camera requires. So that would be a Windows 10 64-bit or a Mac OS 10.13 or newer operating system. You also want to pay attention to the hardware requirements as well, which is why you want to have a decently spec'd out computer in order to run this. If your computer isn't meeting these minimum hardware requirements, this is where you can have the lagginess, the drop frames within your OBS and Streamlabs OBS recordings. Now, if we continue to scroll down here a little bit, you'll see the license agreement. All you have to do is click that checkbox saying that you read it, say that you're not a robot. You're not a robot, right? You do not have to put in your email, and then you can just go ahead and click the download for Mac or for your Windows PC button. Once you've completed the installation, go ahead and launch Snap Camera and it'll welcome you to the app. Just go ahead and click the next icons and then you'll be just fully immersed into this app where you see all these filters and all these different things. And there's like birds flying around me right now. This is just what is happening right now. So within the app, let's go ahead and search lenses and let's look up green screen. And you'll see an assortment of different green screen options. So now there's one here where you could import your own image as a background, which could be a green screen if you wanted to. But this Snap Camera app also has filters with the green screen already built in. I actually found a couple good ones here, which I'll link in the description below. But essentially when you click on this, it'll completely make your background transparent and green. And as you can tell, it's a pretty nice cutout of my body, even with my hands kind of going up. I mean, if you put them up too much, they're gonna kind of cut out. If you're not too crazy with your hands on stream, then that really won't affect things too much, but that's a nice cutout. Now, when using this for myself, I found that it was best to have a chair that doesn't have a high back to it that could affect your green screen cutout, as well as using big headphones. I found that those got cut out as well when trying to use the green screen features within this app. But honestly, other than that, this looks really good, especially for free. Now, the other thing you guys are going to want to know is how to change your camera in case you connect a USB camera or another type of camera to your computer. So to do that, just go to the right-hand side here, select that settings icon, and right at the top, you'll see Snap Camera Settings, and you can go ahead and select this drop-down and click the camera that you want to use. Once you have your green screen and your camera selected, let's go ahead and open Streamlabs OBS. You may already have your capture card or gameplay source already within Streamlabs OBS, but you're then going to want to add your face cam somewhere within this picture. So to do that, you're going to want to go to your sources and then select the plus button. And then within here, you're just going to want to add a video capture device, add the source, go ahead and name it whatever you want. I name mine green screen face cam, add the source, and then you're going to want to select the device. So click that drop down and then find Snap Camera. Once you select that, you'll see that I just appeared on screen and then just select done. But it's a green screen. We don't just want the green screen, so we're gonna need to add a filter to this as well. So let's go to the green screen face cam source, right click that, and then go ahead and select filters and then edit filters. Within here, we're gonna wanna select the plus button, and then within the add source filter, select the drop down, and we're gonna wanna find chroma key. Done. And now we can just mess around with the filters and then just select done and then just resize where you want your face cam to be and you're good to go. Just like that, I have a full-on face cam with the background removed without a green screen. Pretty cool. So that's the video. I hope y'all learned something today. If you did, let me know in the comments. And see, here I go messing around with the filters. Don't judge me.